Alrighty guys, today we're going to be going over the voltage divider rule. It's a quick little rule that enables us to find out what the potential difference is across different resistors in series. Alrighty now, so we're going to derive the equation for the voltage divider rule. And it's going to be pretty simple, it's only have to use Ohm's law, so nothing too crazy. So we're going to apply Ohm's law, which is just V equals IR, and then we're going to apply that over the whole circuit. So that means E, which is the source voltage, is going to be equal to I, which is constant because it's a series circuit, times the total resistance. So it's going to be R1 plus R2. And then we're just going to solve for I, and we'll get E divided by R1 plus R2. And then we're going to apply Ohm's law again just to the first resistor R1, and then we can use that to find the voltage drop across that one resistor. So then this time we're going to have, so say instead of E, we're going to have VR1, so the voltage drop across this one resistor is going to be equal to I because it's a series circuit, so it's going to be constant, so it's going to be the same I times the value of the resistor, which is just R1. And then we're going to set these two equal to each other, and we're going to solve for VR1, which is our unknown. And then we're going to get this final equation here, which is going to be E, which is the source voltage, times the value of the resistor we're looking at, divided by the total resistance of the circuit, so R1 plus R2. And that makes sense, so that the potential difference across the resistor is going to be proportional to how much of the total resistance is contributed by this one resistor. So then now we're just going to apply it in a quick example. Okay, so we're just going to go over a quick example now. So this circuit here, we've got a 10 volt source in series with a 6 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm resistor. So we're just going to use that formula we found before, which is E times R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So to find the voltage across the first resistor, R1, it's going to be the source voltage, which is 10, times 6, which is the value of the first resistor, divided by the total resistance, which is 6 plus 4, and that gives us 6 volts. Then to find the voltage across the second resistor, we do the same thing again. So it's the same source voltage, which is 10, times the value of the resistor we're looking at, which is 4, divided by the total resistance, which is 6 plus 4. And then that gives us 4 volts there. And then again, that makes sense. So the voltage drop across each of these two resistors is proportional to the resistance they provide in comparison to the total resistance of the circuit. So there you have it guys, it's the voltage divider rule. Hope you guys know all about it now.